How to add music on InShot. If you want to add music on your video, it is pretty much simple. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now I have here a video on my InShot app and I'd like to go ahead and add music. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to this option called audio and then tap on it. And now from here, you can either add music, effects, or you can record your own sound or add AI speech. So if you want to add music, just tap on music here and then choose any of the music that you so wish to add, or you can as well import one if you have it on your smartphone. So just tap on the music that you want, and once you're done, now here just go ahead and tap on this download and it will be downloaded, and immediately you can see the song has been added on the timeline. And now once done, go ahead and tap on this tick to confirm your choice. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to this video. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.